Hi, welcome to EMS. Uh, in this video, we are going to import staff as we edit staff manually. So here, um, as you know, you can go to add staff or import staff from this link, human resource, or from here, HR management. So if I click on the HR management, import staff now, there's the import staff button. Here you can click on this button. If you have the sample CSV file, that's brilliant. You can just import straight away. Otherwise, you can import the sample import file here, fill in the form and save it, and then you can import the stuff. So I'm just importing the teachers now. Teachers, designation teacher, department teaching faculty, and that's the file. I will go to the desktop, and these are the teachers teaching faculty. So if I submit it, written records, so that's the stuff we imported successfully. If you click on any of them, you will see the um, complete profile. You can edit whatever you want to add. If any data is missing here, we just imported the stuff through the import stuff link. And here is the if we go to the human resource list again, the first one which we have almost provided most of the information. So here if we click on the print staff profile, you can print the staff profile. That will be your logo, the profile, the staff picture, staff profile. So all the informations you can see here. As many information you have been provided will be showing here. You can print them for your office record, or you can uh, place one copy in the personal file. You can provide to the staff as well. Thank you very much for watching.